Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Bagus Adi Subrata, but you can call me Komang. I am number 33 and I am from Tourism Business Department. For today, I would like to explain about food and beverage. Get to know food and beverage. The food and beverage industry is engaged in the activity of making and serving food and beverage. In particular, food beverage in the hospitality industry is the department that is responsible for meeting the need of food, beverage and other needed by guests, and is managed professionally and commercially. What is food? Maybe you all know what food is. Eating is an activity where living things consume various type of substance so that they can obtain benefit such as nutrition, energy, vitamin, and health. Beverage has the understanding that all type of liquids drinkable. Drink for human life have several basic functions, namely as a thirst cream, appetite stimulant, as an energy booster, and as a means to help digestion of food. Broadly speaking, drink can be divided into two, namely, number one, non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic beverages are all type of beverage that do not contain alcohol. For example, mineral water, syrup, milkshake, tea, coffee, and milk. Number two, alcohol. Alcoholic beverages are beverages that contain ethanol, viscoactive substance which when consumed will result in loss of consciousness. Alcoholic liquid contains alcohol which is obtained from the fermentation of honey, sugar, fruit juice, or tabur. Type of alcoholic drink is beer, vodka, whiskey, and wine. Some of the main destinations and food and beverage are: number one, providing and offering a wide variety of food and beverage menu. Number two, increasing the level of customer or guest satisfaction from the service side of the food and beverage industry. Number three, improve the reputation and credibility of the hotel in terms of service. And number four, obtain optimal profit as an additional source of income in the food and beverage industry. Some of the tasks that must be carried out the food and beverage department are: number one, innovate in presenting new menu variation. Number two, checking and cleaning all equipment and food and beverage facilities. Number three, ensuring the safety and comfort of the staff and visiting guests. Number four, check and clean the entire dining area as determined by the SOP before guests arrive. Number five, processing raw food ingredients into ready-to-eat food that have a high taste. And number six, providing space for consumers who are interested in renting a venue for official event. Division of the Department of Food and Beverage. Number one, front service. Food and beverage front service is a restaurant or hotel service at the front which include a place to eat, room service, and a bar. Therefore, it is the front service department that will deal directly with every guest who come. Number two, back service. Unlike the case with front service, back service is tasked with providing hotel service and restaurant in the back whose scope of work include canteen, bar service, and kitchen. As a result, employees who work in this section do not have direct contact with consumer. Food and beverage service officer. Number 1. Waiter. Waiter have the task of serving guests who come as well as assisting them in the menu ordering process and delivering the ordered menu directly to the guest table. In addition, waiter also have a duty to participate in maintaining the cleanliness of the guest dining area. Number 2. Order taker. The main task of the order taker is to serve guests in ordering food and drink from hotel room via telephone. Next, they will deliver the food order to the guest room. Number 3. Barista. A barista is charged of making and serving various kind of coffee drink as ordered by the guest. Number 4. Cashier. The cashier position play a role in keeping records of guests arriving at the restaurant, as well as serving the payment process and making report to be submitted later to the accounting department. Number 5. Admin food and beverage service. The admin role is to create and input data, as well as ensure the procurement of raw material and equipment needed by food and beverage service store worker. And the last, number 6, supervisor restaurant. The task of the supervisor is to carry out full control over the performance of the admin and waiter. In addition, supervisors are also required to make work schedule for employees, including providing training on how employees need to provide good service. Okay, well, that's all I can explain about food and beverage. Thank you.